Hi everyone, welcome to the Mr. Craig Show. I'm Mr. Craig. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. How are you today? Hi, friends. I love wind-up toys. I have 4 new wind-up toys to share with you today. I love them. You wind them up and they do fun things. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Whoa, check it out. Today we have a bug. You say it. Use your lips. You say bug. This kind of bug is called a caterpillar. You try it. Caterpillar. Okay, what should we do? Let's make it go. You say it. Make it go. How do we make it go, friends? We have to turn the knob. You say it. Turn the knob. Here we go. Turn. 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 Ready? You say, go, go, go. Little caterpillar going for a walk. Little caterpillar going for a walk. Little caterpillar going for a walk. Going for a walk. Little caterpillar going for a walk. Little caterpillar going for a walk. Little caterpillar going for a walk. Going for a walk. That was fun. Let's get some more. Which wind-up toy do we have next? Are you ready? Oh, it's time to do the wash. This is my washing machine. It's just a small load. Let's see. What should we do? See, there's the laundry in there. We have to make it go. You say, make it go. So what do? We have to turn. We have to turn the knob. Are you ready? Help me out, friends. You say, turn, 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 turn. Here we go. Turn it on. This is how we do the wash. Do the wash. Do the wash. The laundry is spinning around and around. The wash is spinning around, getting our clothes nice and clean. This is how we do the wash in the washing machine. The wash is all done. You say it. All done. Nice job. Looking good in the neighborhood. What do we have next? Whoa. It's a truck. You say it. Say, wow. Wow, look at that truck. What do you see? You say truck. What should we do? You say make it go. Are you ready? You say yes. Make it go. How do we make it go? This one doesn't have a knob to turn. Wait a minute. I know. We have to turn the spare tire. Here we go. Help me out, friends. You say turn, turn. Oh boy. Turn. Oh, I can't wait. Turn. This is so exciting. You tell truck. You say go, go, go. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Wow. That was a pretty fast truck. You say bye, truck. Bye, truck. And for our last wind-up toy today, friends, we have the incredible Squirrel. I wonder what Squirrel is going to do. What should we do? You say, make it go. You say it. Make it go. How do we make it go? Look, he has a bushy tail. Turn the knob. Turn. 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 Almost there. Turn. Oh, look what he's going to do. Oh my goodness! It's a dancing squirrel! Oh my goodness gracious! Dancing squirrel, dance, dance, dance. Dancing squirrel, dance. And he stopped. He's tired. Do you want to see that one again? You say it. Say yes. Turn. 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 Ready. Set. Go. Uh-oh. Stand up, squirrel. You tell him. Go, go, go. Bye-bye, squirrel. You say bye-bye. That was so much fun. Which wind-up toy was your favorite? Do you remember which ones we played with? Let's think. There was a truck. There was a green caterpillar. A washing machine that spun around and around. And my favorite, I have to say, was the dancing squirrel. That was a lot of fun. Thank you for playing today. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. I'll see you another day. Bye, friends.